You are lonely, you have no friends, and you're always asking yourself, like, I'm so jealous. Like, these people, they're always like traveling with people, they're always hanging out with people, and they're always having fun with other people, and I'm always lonely. Don't worry, this video is for you. And for those who do not know me, my name is Bessie ROBELYN. I am a survivor of toxic parent who successfully ran away, and now I'm here to help you to become the better version of yourself. So maybe you've heard the best way to meet people, it will be like going on places and meet people, which is true. But you're always like asking yourself, yeah, but like how, when, where? Like, I don't want to go out and everything because I'm scared that when I will be going there, I'm just like losing my time and everything. It doesn't matter. At least like you're saving your time because a lot of you guys are using dating apps. And I'm not talking about like Tinder, Hinge, like these applications. I'm talking about like Bumble BFF to meet people. It's a good way to meet people as well. But like if you do not want like to take time because like you gotta match this person and this person gotta match you and this and that, the best way would be you gotta go on places to meet people, like going to the pub, going to the movies, going to the clubs, going to like a park, doing your sport, your gym. You can meet people. But most of the time, people that go there to chill, they're not going there to meet people. So the best way to meet people, first of all, if you got time and you got money, spending time on sports activities. Like, I don't know, you can join like a football club, you can be joining like swimming pool club. At least like you're all doing sports together, and it's going to be like the best way to meet people, because when you're like meeting people, you're going to see them all the time. You're going to see them like once per week, twice a week, and at least like these people, you'll be talking, and eventually like they can also become like your closest people. They can be your best friend. You'll be joining like parties and all of these things. You'll be invited, you will be inviting them, and like you will meet people. Then I would also like recommend like activities club, like tennis club, golf club, food club, all of these fun things, because at least people are coming, and at least they're coming because they want to spend time with other people who share the same hobbies as them, and they would be pretty lovely. Like they are going to be happy to meet people with the same interests as them, because at least like they got like subjects to talk about and everything. Second of all, if you got time but you don't have money, you can be volunteering. Go to volunteering associations, but do not go like in this weird volunteering associations when we're like just stopping people in the street telling, oh, like we want to save people from this and that, because most of the time like that's not literally volunteering. I'm talking about like giving food to people and everything, because like you're going to meet other people with the same heart like you, and you're going to make friends, and you will like know these people. They love helping people, and you love helping people, especially when you're a people pleaser. It's amazing. Like you would just go there and you meet people, and it doesn't really have to be volunteering. You can go, maybe like an event is going to happen and you're going to be volunteering, so like you're just like doing things for fun. You're going to meet people, and you're going to meet like people from like different age ranges and everything, and you're going to have a lot of fun. You will discover a lot of things, and maybe like you could never know, you can find like someone who would help you to achieve your dreams. The third point is for like people who do not got time but they got money, like me. Like I work 40 hours per week, I don't have time to go and meet people. The best way, it's going to be using like these applications, this and this one. And what are these applications for? These applications are used to prepare like events, and you're going on the event on the thing that you want. Let's say, you can just like see it over here on my screen. I am in Sydney and I'm looking for this. I'll be going there, and especially I'm going to meet people with the same interest as me. And the good thing about like this application, you can use them wherever you want. You are going, I don't know, to like Washington DC, and you want to meet people. You're staying there for like 2 months and you want to meet people. You can use it, because at least you can change where you're living, which is amazing, because you can travel everywhere and you can meet people, which is great. You meet people, different cultures, a lot of opportunities. It's always better than nothing. At least if you're like you want to go somewhere and you're like, oh, you know, there's like this person that I know and like he lives in Tokyo. Let's go, like, let's go. But anyway, I wish you the best and I hope you can meet a lot of people and I hope like you wouldn't feel alone anyway. And I hope like you wouldn't feel alone because when you have friends, it's so fun, especially like in your 20s. This was Bessie ROBELYN. Ciao.